Good morning, parents and students. Welcome to Sai Study Center. It's a really a good morning to us because the parents of and class 10 and 12 and students of class 10 and 12 are worried about their term 1, term 2 syllabus. It was released by CBSE. So please move on to cbseacademic.nic.in site. When you enter into the site, the academic, the first is given. You can check here or you can go to curriculum. They have given term-wise curriculum 2021-22. Just click it. It will lead to term-wise syllabus for 2021 to 22. So first we'll go with the class 9 and 10. So they have given language wise main subject. Let's focus on main subject science. Actually, to notice that they have reduced in their syllabus also. You want, you can click on to the download and you can download the same for your reference. Just it is getting open. Science 086 is given. They have given the syllabus for the examination and the total theory is divided into term 1 and term 2. 20 marks will be the internal assessment for 1 and 2. So, internal assessment is 10 mark for each term. That will include 3 periodic tests. Average of 2 or best of 2 can be taken. Many methods like curriculum transaction can be included. Oral test, short test, quiz, concepts map, scientific investigations, all those things can be included. So class 9 syllabus is given. This is also divided into 2. So we'll move on to class 10. That is our main focus. Class 1 term exam is having chemistry as chemical substance, nature and behavior, chapter 1, 2, 3. Chemical equations and reactions, acid bases and salts, metals and non-metals. World of living, chapter 6, that is life process. This one chapter carries 10 marks. 3 chapters of your chemistry carries 16 mark and 2 chapters of your physics is given chapter 10 and 11. That is light refraction and reflection followed by human eye and its colorful world. And term 2, the rest will be carbon and its compound. Seventh chapter is completely removed. Chapter 8 and 9, how do organisms reproduce and heredity and evolution, electricity and magnetic effect of electricity, then natural resources. Chapter 14 also removed and chapter 16 is only for your internal assessment in term 2. Each term we are going to write 40 marks theory test. Okay, 10 mark is internal. Now we'll see the detailed our syllabus. See, in the chemical reaction, everything is there. Chemical equation, balanced chemical equation, how to imply that, types of chemical reaction, all the 5 types, oxidation, reduction. One thing we got to know, they have removed rancidity. Okay, but even we can focus on the rancidity because it is a reduction and oxidation reaction, so it will come there. So without leaving that study. When you compare to acid bases and salts, the definition in terms also included here. So the normal, no omission in this chapter we have to study. When you come back to metals and non-metals, properties of metals and non-metals, reactivity series and ionic compound and properties, they have removed the metallurgy part here. Okay. So now we'll move on to chemistry, complete chapter of life process. Nutrition, respiration, transportation, and excretion in both plants and animals. Then, natural phenomena, reflection, refraction, everything is there. But when we come back to human eye and colorful world, we are not having the again like last year, this year also, human eye and its problem. Eye problem and their correction is removed from the syllabus. We are going to learn refraction through prism, dispersion of light, scattering of light, and how naturally and in everyday application we are using this. So this is our term 1. 40 marks we are going to write MCQ. In our term 2, we are going to write carbon and its compound. This also last year syllabus only up to homologous series. Beyond that, no alkane, alkene, alkyne separately or functional groups are not included. Periodic classification as usual full. Chapter 7 is removed. chapter 8 completely, and in chapter 9 no evaluation, heredity, and effects of current and effects magnetic effect of electric current, like last year completed. In magnetic effects of current, only AC and DC, the difference, generator is removed, and our environment as usual the entire unit. And only chapter 16 management of natural resources is called for only the internal assessment. So in this pattern we come to know that CBSE has given only the last year reduced syllabus. They have worked out with the last year reduced syllabus and they have divided into two terms. So you all can download your syllabus and start to prepare for your term 1. If you have any doubts, you can leave your comments in queries in the comment section below. Thank you children, and thank you parent. Keep learning.